Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, February the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 797. 3. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. So I don't think it's a 4 stars puzzle, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box. Always a 1. Alright. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here two dual boxes. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with 3. In this triple box should be there, so the 1 and 2 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Alright, then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box, so this box has the same name as that box, but also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. And this box also 1 or a 2. Okay, now, we have only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Okay. And do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one upside down. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 there. Okay. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 4, can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. Then Two numbers left in this T-shaped area. One was the 1 and 2, 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Okay. All right. Then these two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 1 then. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box will be definitely a 1. It's connected with that box, will be so 1. One box left in this dual box for number 2. Is connected with that box, will be also a 2. Is also connected with that box, will be also a 2. I've marked this box with 1 or 2. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. One box left in this dual box for number 2. Alright. And now this box can be 5. This box can be 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. Well, we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 2. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. Oh, no. We already have a 5 here. Well, I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Need a 3 here. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Should be a 4. Can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Alright. Okay, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be here, because if I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1 then. But we already have a 1 here. So another solution, place the 1 there, the only place left for the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for us, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 there, because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Then this box can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be a, these 3 boxes surrounding 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Here also 2 numbers left for numbers, same numbers, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Well, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, should be there, so 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those. Okay. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright, I think this box should be I marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area from us, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Well, we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be 3. These 3 boxes around the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be, and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area from us. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5 is connected with that box. So 1 and a 5. This box can be a 1, can be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. We go down. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. We go up. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1 or a 5. We have a 1 now, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And the final number in this area for the number 4. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, told you. Can it be a 4 stars? Can it be a 3 stars? 2 stars? 1 star? It should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. So, bye-bye for now. And, yeah, see you tomorrow.